are here at one of the location site. This is Preselling, expansion 3, they said in Ashira. So construction build plan is 3 to 5 years. So we have the money, invest right now. Price cut is 10,000 pesos per square meter. Most of the lots are sold, so only like 20% left. Okay, so look at the view. It's mostly sold out because of the view. If you want to invest for real estate here in Bohol, which is in Panglao, and this is in Dawis. If you want to do that, check this place out. If you want to have more contact details, I'll let you know. Comment down below. Alright, so this is what the place looks like here at Dawis, Panglao real estate. Right, if you're interested, this will be a good deal right now. 3 to 5 years construction, electricity, water, building of roads, drainage, something like that. It's not really in the main highway, it's on the hill. So yeah, check this out.